guys, welcome to VLOGMAS day number 8. This morning we actually just went to breakfast with some of our friends at Waffle House, and I was trying to vlog in the car and I realized that I left my memory card in my laptop upstairs, so I couldn't vlog. But we just got home and I don't know what we have planned for today. Devin works, so he's gonna have to go to sleep soon, and I think I'm gonna take a nap with him. But yeah, we just got home and Devin's watching TV, and I'm gonna have to get ready because I'm babysitting tonight. So we'll see what we do today. Sherman, come inside. Come on. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
What's up, guys? Show Sherman he loves his new toy.
Okay. This is Sherman's new toy that Devin's mom got him. Where'd she get it?
5 and Below.
Yeah, 5 Below. And it's like Christmas colors, and he loves it. He loves toys that he can play tug of war with. And Jimmy Neutron's on in the background only because I turned a movie on for Sherman, and I guess it just turned on after. We're just hanging out before Devin has to go to sleep, but I'm tired and I think I'm gonna sleep with him.
I'm real tired.
I'm really tired. I feel like I haven't gotten sleep. And last night, even though I planned to go to bed early because I filmed like that story time for yesterday, I still didn't go to bed till like 12:30. So I don't know what was wrong with me. The problem is when I go to bed at 12, I still have to wake up at a certain time when Devin gets home in the morning. So it's like, I can't sleep in, so I just have to go to bed earlier. But Devin's already asleep. I think I'm just gonna like not do much today. I'm gonna work on school just because we've been like kind of going the past few days. So I was gonna go to the grocery store. I don't know if I'm gonna go today. Maybe I'll go tomorrow because we just need like a few things so I can like make Devin some lunches and stuff. Oh, I might have to go today because I don't have anything for your lunches tonight.
I want chicken.
You want chicken? Hey guys, so I just woke up from a nap and I ate a little bit of food, leftovers from yesterday from Panda Express, and then I realized that I didn't have any dinners for Devin for his lunch for work. So I quickly had to throw together some meals, and I'll show you what I did. The chicken is still cooking. So I have the chicken in my pressure cooker. This is the Kasori pressure cooker, and it's pretty much the same thing as an Instant Pot, but I put 2 frozen chicken breasts in there for 35 minutes with 2 cups of water. And over here, I made him the riced cauliflower and sweet potatoes with broccoli, and then I'm gonna put some sort of sauce, I think like wing sauce, like buffalo sauce on top of his chicken. I always try to put like a little bit of something on top of it. That's it. The sun is already starting to set, and it is like not even late at all. But I'm getting ready to go do my makeup in just a moment, and then I have a really, really cool box of makeup that I got to share you. To share with you, to show you. So I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be right back. So something I quickly wanted to share with you guys before I go do my makeup is that someone had commented on my videos a while ago, and they said these things that I buy Sherman, these Winkies pigskin twists, were bad for him. And I kind of like blew it off. I like ignored it because I was just kind of being stubborn, like, you know, I can give my dog whatever I want, I'll be honest. So I was like, I don't really care because he eats these all the time. I buy a new bag anytime that we run out, and he eats like probably 1 a day at least. And so they're just like these little really hard pigskin twists, and they like unroll and like they eat them. They're digestible. They don't have any rawhide in it or anything. But when Sherman, if you watched my vlog where I talked about he ate the SOS pad and I had to make him vomit with hydrogen peroxide, he was throwing up all these little, they looked like little pieces of onion. They were like big square pieces of onion. And I was like, what are those? And they were like all in his vomit. And so I mean, this is gross, but I don't really care. I picked one up and I like smelled it, and it smelled just like pig skin, like bacon almost. And guys, it was pieces of these. And so I am not gonna give these to him again. I have like an unopened bag right now, and I think I have another bag with a couple left, but I am not gonna give that to him again because seeing how it was in his stomach and like it was just literally in huge pieces and chunks, and he threw up like so much of it along with the SOS pad, and then whatever else was in his stomach came up too. He's like laying at my feet. So I just wanted to tell you guys that these just at least with my experience, I don't feel like they're probably that good for them by the way he threw them up. They're obviously not fully digestible because they were in huge pieces. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm not going to be giving him these anymore. If you have any recommendations, I love to give him like really hard things to chew on so he like stays busy, but maybe something that he doesn't actually have to eat. Maybe it's just like a certain bone that you guys like to give your dogs or whatever. Yeah, let me know, because these keep him pretty busy and now I don't feel like safe giving them to him anymore, so I want something else to give him. So if you have any recommendations, let me know, but I'm gonna go do my makeup. Hey guys, so I just got finished doing my makeup and I wanted to quickly show you guys something that I got in the mail from my friend Cammie. So I put on Instagram to ask about face powders the other day because I was totally out of mine and I kind of wanted to just try something different. I had used up a whole container of loose powder, so I just like to switch things up. And my friend Cammie, she has a YouTube channel, Cammie Carter, I'll link it down below. She reached out to me because we're kind of like friends. We talk a lot through Instagram and stuff, and we met, I think we met on Instagram. Maybe, I don't really know. But she's so nice and she works for Macy's, and I'm pretty sure she works for Bare Minerals. I could be wrong. You can correct me. Clinique or Bare Minerals. I think it's Bare Minerals though. And she said that this powder, which is the Clinique Blended Face Powder, it's a loose powder. And so she said that this one was really good. So this is what this one looks like, and I'll show you guys. And she was like, yeah, if you want to buy it from me, I can send it to you. And I was like, okay. So this is what it looks like, and it's just like a loose powder, and I used it today and I really liked it. My face like looks really smooth, and I used a couple other things that she sent me and I'll show you. But it also came with this little, it also came with this little brush, so it looks like this, and then you just like twist it up. But that's really nice for like on the go if you want to put it in your purse or if you want to travel, because you could use this for like bronzer, blush, or your powder or whatever. So I was really excited to try that. And so when I got my box, she sent me some other little goodies and I was so excited. It totally made my day. So thank you, Cammie, for sending me this. This was just like so sweet. You didn't have to do that, but I wanted to show you guys because I'm so grateful, and I just thought it would be nice to share what she sent me. So I got this little like pink, it's coming off as a different shade of pink, but it's a really pretty like pale pink leather makeup bag, and it says Bare Minerals, and inside of it was a few things, but I kind of dumped everything out and I don't know what was in what bag. But she sent me like a bunch of samples. So a sample of the Bare Minerals concealer, which I used today, which I really liked, and then I got a few lip samples, which are like really good size. And this one is like a liquid lipstick. It's like a red. This one I used today because, okay, I love lip gloss, and I don't know if you can see, this is like my go-to like lip shade, but it's this little lip gloss and I love it. I'm definitely gonna buy this in the full size. This is in the shade, what shade was this? I don't know. It looks like it's Darling. I don't know what shade this was, but I really, really like it. This is like my favorite lip shade that I wear like in lipstick. I have one that's like this shade and I really like it. She sent me this Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. It says to use like after, like, it says apply after cleansing, 2 pumps all over entire face and neck, morning and night. So I used this as my face moisturizer today. I don't think that that's what it's for exactly, but I really liked it. It was really thin. It was like really good. I feel like it's really good for oily skin. And then I got a sample of the Bare Minerals Prime Time Primer. My camera just shut off on me because my memory card was full, so I had to go erase a bunch of stuff. I need to get another memory card. But anyways, so what was I saying? Oh, I used this primer today on my face and it made my face feel so smooth. And I have some like fine lines between my eyebrows from where I like make faces and like around my mouth, and I feel like it really filled them in and I really, really liked it. So I haven't tried like a whole lot of makeup, guys. I used to be super into makeup, so like I kind of just use the same thing, so I forget like other things are really good. And then she sent me another one of those, like the Bare Minerals moisturizer thing, so I'm really excited to keep trying that. And then, okay, this is probably my favorite thing because I've actually used this before. This is the Bare Minerals Lash Domination. A few years ago, it came out like a few years ago, but when it first came out I bought one and it was like my favorite mascara forever, and I didn't even use like an eyelash curler because I don't have one. But I love this mascara. It's super good. And then I think some of the stuff came in this little bag and it just says Bare Pro, which I love these little bags for like jewelry and stuff like that. And then the last thing she sent me, oh no, there's 2 more things, but this is a Bare Minerals Be Present candle. And on the front she wrote, "Thank you, Merry Christmas, Cammie." That's just so nice. Like, this just made my whole day. And then this little candle says Be Present, and I just thought that was super cute. And it's like a spiced eggnog scent. It smells really good. It smells just like Christmas. And then the last thing that she sent me was this bag. And so this is a Bare Minerals bag. And it's just like a little tote, and it has lips on this side. And it says, "Go nude or make a statement, Bare Minerals." And I just thought this was so cute. Like, you can use these for so many different things. I love to have bags like this when I travel, so I can like put like my straightener and stuff in it or whatever. But yeah, Cammie, I just wanted to say thank you for sending me all that. You didn't have to do that, but it totally made my day, and I'm really excited to try all of this stuff out. All right, so I just came down and his chicken is done. So that's all done, so I'm gonna cut it up and put it in his bowls. It looks kind of gross right there, but I promise it's not. So these are the next 4 meals I made for Devin, and I was using like buffalo sauce, which he loves, but then I ran out. So on the 4th one I used like Italian dressing, just the Wishbone brand. But yeah, these are what I'm going to send with him for lunch. I usually send like 1 every night. So I'm eating some blueberry Greek yogurt with some blueberries and gluten-free granola as a little snack. And Sherman is sitting right here because he wants my yogurt and watching How I Met Your Mother. But I'm just eating this because I'm getting ready to leave for babysitting in like 15 minutes, so you're not getting any. So I'm gonna eat this before I go. So I just got in my car and I'm getting ready to leave to go babysit, but I just wanted to kind of update you guys before I leave that I'm not gonna vlog while I'm there, obviously. So I really wish I had a car mount so I could drive and talk to you guys at the same time, but I have to vlog before I leave and after I leave, like once I'm parked, because my camera will fall. So I'm just gonna put some lotion on my hands really quick. This is the Wild Rose and Apple like little hand cream from Bath & Body. Ooh, it smells so good. I got this though like a while ago, so I don't even think they still have it, but it smells like champagne or no, wine. I don't know, I don't drink alcohol. It smells really good though. I think it's the rose, but yeah, I am probably gonna be out late. I don't really know. I have no idea how late I'm supposed to be there. But when I get home, I will vlog and probably end the vlog when I get home. I don't really know. We'll see, but I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I just got home and I don't know, I'm kind of hungry. I think I'm gonna make something to eat and then probably just chill. But I had a good night. Babysitting, and it's a pouring rain outside, so I had to drive home in the pouring rain. Super fun. I hate driving in the rain, so I'm getting ready to make something to eat. But this little guy, he like backs his whole body up against me every time I get home. I know. Do you smell another puppy? So I'm just sitting down, drinking some water, eating my bagel and some blueberries, and I actually ate a little bit of dinner at the person I babysat's house, but I was so hungry, so I just made something. I actually didn't even finish my second half of my bagel because I'm like full now, but I gave Sherman a blueberry to keep him occupied. So I have been getting this question, like I think I got it 3 times on separate videos, so I wanted to kind of address it. People have been asking me what my new job is, and typically I am like an open book. I pretty much share everything about my life with you guys. I don't really keep anything a secret or whatever. But I am getting like a little bit more followers, and with my channel growing a little bit, I feel like I should start making some things more private. And so I don't really want to say what I do now, just for the privacy of myself and for other people. Yeah, I'm not gonna say. I really just kind of like am scared that people will start like knowing more things about me, and I don't want anybody to like I guess, be able to invade my privacy, live like my personal life, like where I live and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. But I am like, thank you for being curious and wanting to know about my life. It's just not something I'm gonna talk about. I'm about to get into bed and start editing, and this is like my setup recently. How I Met Your Mother, Sherman, my MacBook plugged in on my bed with many chargers, cords, water bottles, my phone. I just came upstairs and supposedly Devin called me and there's like a tornado watch right now. So he said if it turns into a warning, he's gonna call me. But we've gotten like so many tornado warnings in the past like week that it's like, I don't even really care if there is one. I look so bald right now and my skin is so red because I don't know why. I just took off a full face of makeup that I only wore for 6 hours. So anyways, my hair looks whack. I need to wash it, and my skin is so red. My skin has been really red like the last week. I don't know why. But anyways, I'm just chilling. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because there's not much else for me to show you or talk about. So yeah, enjoy my beautiful hair. I look so good right now. If you liked the vlog, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm posting every day in the month of December. I would love to have you. And yeah, I always put all my social media down below. And I don't know what else to say. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Say good night.